Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can convert the task inside your projects on Freedcamp into a subtask, right? So if you'd like, I don't know, turn the task into a subtask for a project, let us show you how to do that. So navigate to your account on Freedcamp, and here in your dashboard, select Tasks board in the top left and go through the task list for all of your projects, right? So yeah, we can go with that completed task here for the sake of this tutorial. Click into these three dots, select Edit, and instead of creating a new subtask, you can convert that main task into a subtask by clicking into this button in the top right. Then guys, you need to select a parent task, right? So a subtask can't be on its own, it needs a connected parent task. So I will go with this one here. Well, actually, you can also go with none. So actually, I'm wrong. You can do this, but usually, if you think rationally, you should have a parent task here. So I'm going to use this one here. Just for the sake of the tutorial, click into Save. And as you can see, guys, that task has been moved to the subtask section of this parent task. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.